What's up, guys? It's Billy here again with Stas Marketing and Design.com. Today, I just wanted to share with you one of the tools that I use for my business to schedule consultations with my clients. This is a tool that you can use on your website to, like I said, you can book consultations or book a service, whether it be, lawn care service, house cleaning service. If you're a barber or cosmetologist, you can um, you can have your clients book consultations with you that way, and you can also have them either pay for their service ahead of time or put a deposit down, whatever it be. Um, but I'm going to share with you my computer screen here, and we'll get into that tool that I use. But before I go into that tool, don't forget to hit that like button on this video and hit subscribe and that notification bell for me. That way you get notification anytime I come out with a new video. All right, so let's get into my screen here. Okay, we're in my back office here, and the tool that I use is Booking by Builderall. This is a great tool. Like I said, you can use for pretty much any business that you need to book clients with. Um, let me, I'll show you how to use this. We're going to go here to new calendar. You got 4 different options here, um, calendar wise, to set up here. You either have consultation, uses examples is individual mentoring or coaching, um, aesthetic services, hairdresser, barbershop, manicure, makeups, etc. Consultations in general, medical, dental, etc. These are the features on that consultation calendar. Available time range, individual sessions, fixed session time, no overlapping times, which is great. Or you have event here. You can use that type of calendar for webinars, lectures, seminars, live releases, live events and concerts, and meetings. The features on that calendar is fixed date and time, multiple user registrations, and limitations on the number of registered users. Then you have classroom here. Classroom, schools, gyms, recurring group activities, courses, trainings, religious services. The features on that calendar is a fixed date, time, and duration, recurring weekly and bi-weekly or monthly sessions, multiple user registration, and limit max number of subscriptions. And then the last one we have is recurring. This is used for weekly consultations sessions, continuous private lessons, and then therapy or consulting programs. Now, the features on this one is recurring weekly, bi-weekly or monthly sessions, available time range, individual sessions, fixed sessions times, no overlapping times. We're gonna, for training purposes, we'll just go to consultation here, and let me go ahead and create a calendar name here. We'll do it this way. All right, I'm gonna go create new. All right, so it's gonna save it here. And then you can, obviously we already did my title. I can go in here and upload a video. Or I'm sorry, a logo, which I'll go ahead and do that here. My logos. All right, we'll use that one. And then colors. If you have a branded color that you want to use, you could put that in here. We'll just go with I'll just go with black here as a background. Description is optional, but I'm just going to put it here. Copy and paste. All right. All right. So then you're going to select your time zone. It'll let users select their time zone, or you can do predefined time zones. The system will display a time zone converted for the user to select, or the predefined time zone. The calendar's owner will select the time zone, and users will create their schedule accordingly. I would suggest using this one based on your time zone. That way, you can set your services, your dates and times or whatever. Um, Here is the action after subscription. Um, you just put in a welcome message here. Thanks for signing up. Or you can have them redirect to your website. If you have a website, you can do that. But we're going to go to save and exit. All right. So here you can create a group. We'll name this. I'll do website consultation. All right. Select the host. We'll use this one here. Starting point every 15 minutes. This keeps you from. So with this feature, you can define the time intervals that can be scheduled. The lower the starting point, the greater the flexibility and possibility in choosing a schedule. So I'll keep that the same. Session time, we'll say 1 hour. No, I'll do 30 minutes. 0. So we got 30 minutes. Intervals between, I'll say 30 minutes. All right, so I got that set up. And I'm off on the weekend, so I'm going to take off Saturday and Sunday. 8 a.m. is kind of too early for me, so let's say 9 a.m. and 5's good there. So we'll do it on each one of these. All right. Available dates. I'm going to keep all that the same. One session. This is just going to be one session. So you can change that. Total number of sessions, for example. If you need 4 sessions, 1 week to complete a tooth whitening after 4, or enter 4 here. So I mean that's the gist of it. So each one of these gives you an explanation of what it does. Availability indefinitely. So you can do until a certain day or rolling days. Minimum attendance. So you can set your attendance here. I'm not going to make that adjustment. And then you can block specific dates. You can set some specific dates within the configure period that you do not want to receive appointments. Useful for holidays, birthdays, or other appointments. So let's choose Valentine's Day is on Sunday. Let me see what July 4th is. Oh, it's a Monday. I'm going to be off that day. So we'll do. Oh, that's 2022. let's go with a different year. There we go. Oh, that's a Sunday too. All the holidays are falling on the weekend, aren't they? Let's see. We'll go with Thanksgiving. I'm gonna be off that day. And I'm gonna add another day. We'll go the day after too. So we'll do Thanksgiving and Black Friday there. Advanced configuration. Approve new appointments. You can either automatically approve or approve manually. Allow subscribers to cancel. Allow subscribers to reschedule. Display of unavailable times. You can show as busy or hide them. Schedule time limit 1, so you can put the limit on how many they can schedule with you. And then schedule limit by email. So there's all your options for that. All right, we'll do save and exit. All right, information that the customers will be asked when scheduling. So you set these fields up. It defaults to name and email address, and then you have phone number. That's optional. You can add another one here. Let's see. Let me add one. We'll say company name. So I'll just save there. All right, and then with this mailing boss tag, that's just a tag that you can put in here um, for your email subscription, for your email autoresponder, which I can go into that another day. And then this just tags it, stating where they signed up to that email list at. So if you want the content of this field to be registered with your lead data in your mailing boss list, inform the field tag here. Otherwise, leave it blank. So I just put the tag here. I'm going to say that's required. And I'm going to say this one's required as well. So that way we can contact them on the phone. So it changes them all to red when they're required. So I'm going to hit save here. All right. Do not send confirmation to the subscriber, or yes, send confirmation to the subscriber. I'm going to hit yes. Immediately after scheduling confirmed, I'm going to save that. Send emails to host when new sign up. Yeah, I'll do that too. I want to receive emails for new subscriptions or pending subscriptions. I'll do that as well. That way I know anytime somebody signs up, or I get notified anytime somebody schedules an appointment there. So reminder, do not send any reminders, or yes, send reminders. We'll do yes. Sometimes you get busy and you tend to forget. So we're going to set that reminder here. Let's see, new reminder, 1 hour before the 1 hour meeting. That's fine with me. All right, email sender. You can use default email sender or use specific email sender. Your current is Builderall booking. Your default sender can be changed on this page. If you want to use a specific email address for that group, please notify below. So you can choose which email that you want to use as the sender email. And then you can do the same thing with reply email. But I'll go ahead and choose that here. Let me see. We'll do this one. Billy at BillyStazensky.com. And we'll put Billy. And we'll do the same as this. Billy at BillyStazensky.com. All right, so I'm gonna hit save. All right, and it says automation sync with Google Calendar. Do not sync with Google Calendar or sync with Google Calendar. Great option. I'm gonna hit sync. That's always a great option. That way you have another form of notifications there as well. And let's see, we have Zoom meeting, so you can set up Zoom meeting integration. Let's see here. So then you put in your sign-in information and all that here if you want to do that, which I'm not going to go into that one. Subscribe to list, do nothing, or subscribe to a list. Let's see what list I have. We'll do this one here. So anytime they schedule an appointment, they get subscribed to my email list there. So that way I can send them notifications and, send them emails anytime I have a promotion or something like that. So we're going to hit save and exit. Verify unique. Okay. I did something wrong. Okay, let's do add. Gmail. We'll do this one. Read and write. We'll do it that way. All right. Let's see if it'll save now. There we go. All right. So do you want to enable payments? Not enable. And I'm going to do yes. You can select a billing model, payment when attending, or checkout. At this point, it's payment when attending because this is coming soon with the super checkout that Builderall has, which is a great tool as well. If you want to have an e-commerce store, that's a great tool as well. All right, so we're going to use US dollars, and let's see, I'll charge $47 for consultation. Save and exit. Now it's generating my calendar for me. All right. And then this gives you a link to add it to a website. And then this is add booking to Cheetah. Open your editor. So this gives you all the embed information you need for your website, which is great. We'll do view. And this is what the counter looks like if it were on my website. Let me select a date. We'll do 9 a.m. We'll do that. There. Schedule. All right. So thank you for signing up. Here's your confirmation, calendar, my information, payment when attending. So when they attend, that's what they're going to pay. So back to home. All right. Let's see. All right. So this is, again, all the integration into your website. Let's go to my schedule here. All right. And here's my schedule. There's that appointment I just made here for myself. So I can go in here and reschedule if I want to. And I'll send the information to that client should I need to reschedule. But before you even get into this, you'll have to set up host, which is here. I can add a new host, which you're going to enter your information and all that here. So again, this is a great tool for any business, whether it be online or brick and mortar, versus using pen and paper. Everything's automated, this day and age. So, and I would definitely suggest if you have a bunch of clients or potential new leads, whatnot, you definitely want to have a calendar on your website so that they can schedule time with you and you can speak with them and help them with their issues. So if you like the information that I shared with you today, I'm going to leave the link in the description to where you can get access to this tool. If you do have any questions, just you can send me a message on Facebook. I'll leave that link in the description as well. And until my next video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. But until next time, I'll see you in my next video.